Hello, beautiful art lovers. This is Lala Sparks again, coming in with another beautiful piece of art. Today we'll be doing a jewelry trinket, and it is a big shell. I'm putting in right now. I'm putting in resin alongside some seashells. They are beautiful, shiny turquoise seashells. I've been in love with emerald green lately. I used to love, well, I love all kinds of colors. I'm an artist. But right now, today, this minute, I'm loving emerald green. So we're going to go with emerald green for this one. And I have glitter in the emerald green because I love sparkle. I'm pretty sure a lot of people out there like me and love sparkle as well. So you know me, I don't like to waste resin. So I am making sure that I have all the resin poured in there. I ran out of, you can tell I ran out of the green emerald, so I'm mixing some more very quickly to add in the trinket mold. This mold turned out a lot bigger than I expected, and it turned out it needed more resin. It is a thick, big shell. So I'm poking around it, making sure that there's no holes in the middle of at any part of the mold, so that I don't have holes, and just making sure that I fill it up to the brim as well. And while I'm making this, of course, I'm thinking of what kind of encouragement I can add to this piece. Because again, like I said, my new era, I'm making sure that all my pieces of art actually speak to someone. It's not about just having a piece of art, but then every time you look at it, does it tell you something? Does it encourage you? That is my goal, and that is, pretty much my mandate for my pieces of art in 2025 and going forward. It just blesses my heart and makes me happy to know that somebody can purchase a piece of art for me, and every time they look at it, no matter what kind of day they're having, they could be encouraged. And art could be sloppy sometimes. I try my best to be neat when I'm making these videos. I try my best, but art can be sloppy and messy. So this is demolding day, usually my favorite time. I usually spray some alcohol so that I can preserve my mold and it can be an easy demolding. So here I am demolding, and I've already decided what words I want to put on this piece of art, what encouraging words I want to put. It turned out so beautiful, very heavy, beautiful. It could be for keys, could be used for jewelry. It's a trinket. It's a trinket tray, so it's very beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and make some encouragement or put some encouragement on this. I have my cricket and I say hope wins is what I chose for this one. I quickly did that UV resin and put it under the UV light. It is nice, it's shiny, and I hope it encourages someone out there. I'll put the link of this item in my shop in the description box, and I hope it encourages someone. Until next time, talk soon.